Hey guys, so in this video, I'll go over best types of cardio workouts. So getting started, number one, we have jump roping. Jump roping is a really simple workout because the only thing you need is a good sized rope. Jump roping is great cardio because it gets your heart rate high fast due to multiple muscles being used. Also, it may be linked to better bone density because of the constant jumping. Lastly, jump roping definitely improves coordination because you have to time jumps, swing the rope, and stay steady. Next, we have cycling. Cycling gets your heart rate up quick from constant pedaling, yet it's a low effort exercise. Also, cycling improves your lower body strength, so the hamstrings, quads, and calves. Because of this, it burns many calories, which is good for weight loss. And it burns more if you weigh more. So our last one on this list is calisthenics. Calisthenics builds muscle and burns calories. Some form of calisthenics are push-ups, planks, and jumping jacks. All these improve muscular endurance while burning calories. You burn more the more you weigh. Calisthenics are also a good workout for beginners if you can't do many reps. You can just start off with 10 to 12 reps and increase as you go on, just like any workout. And that's it for today's video, everybody. These were the three main ways of cardio, three main types of cardio. And if you want more of these type of videos, make sure to comment the type of videos you want. And yeah, everybody, keep staying healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.